CES 2026 was absolutely insane for humanoid robots. In this video, we're checking out the top 10 robots you cannot miss from this year's show. From factory killers to in-home weirdos and a real-life Wall-E, these bots are low-key speedrunning the future, so grab a snack and let's jump straight in. Let's start with Boston Dynamics' new Electric Atlas, the one everyone was waiting to see in person. This isn't the old parkour demo bot anymore. This is the production-ready worker that's actually headed to Hyundai's factory in Georgia starting 2026. On stage at CES, Atlas twisted and rotated a big flat panel with that freaky full-body flexibility and then transitioned into real manipulation tasks instead of just doing backflips for clout. With Google DeepMind's Gemini Robotics AI on board, it can now understand high-level instructions and work in messy, unstructured environments, not just perfectly scripted lab setups. Realbotix pulled up with robots that make you double-take,
remembering past conversations with our custom memory system, and responding in ways that feel personal and consistent over time.
Wait, is that a person? Or their CES 2026 booth looked less like a robotics stand and more like someone spawned NPCs out of a video game into real life. These robots focus on ultra-real faces, expressive eyes, and subtle expressions powered by conversational AI and emotional recognition. They showed characters like Aria and new lineup members reacting with gaze tracking, nuanced facial movements, and full voice interaction through their Ask Aria platform. The goal here isn't lifting boxes, it's companionship, hospitality, and front-of-house roles where presence and personality matter more than raw payload. Next up is pure dexterity. Sharpa basically turned CES into hands are the main character. Their robot North, equipped with the Sharpa Wave dexterous hand, pulled off some of the most insane manipulation demos on the floor. It was rallying in ping pong with reaction times around 0.02 seconds, casually dealing cards, and even lining up photos and selfies with scary precision. Then it went full arts and crafts mode, folding and assembling a paper windmill through a 30-plus step sequence, fully autonomously, without dropping the flow. With a human-scale hand, 22 degrees of freedom, and dense sensing, it shows how close we're getting to robots that can actually use tools and handle delicate objects like humans do. Over at Unitree, the G1, H2, and R1 lineup went all in on action humanoid energy. The compact G1 was out there doing martial arts-style moves, rapid punches, dodges, and agile footwork that looked like someone modded a fighting game character into reality. It's foldable, backpackable, and meant to be a relatively affordable platform for researchers, devs, and smaller labs. The bigger H2 is built for industrial grunt work with more torque and payload, while the R1 undercuts the whole category as a low-cost, smaller humanoid for education and experimentation. Together, Unitree is basically saying, from hobby labs to factories, there should be a humanoid for every tier. NEURA Robotics 4 NE1 Gen 3 rolled into CES looking like a premium gadget straight out of a design studio, thanks to its collab with Studio FA Porsche. It showed off precise industrial-style tasks and then switched into softer, safer motions for home and shared spaces, all on the same platform. The big idea is Neverse. Skills learned by one robot can be shared across a whole fleet, like an app store for physical abilities. With torque-sensing joints, proximity-aware safety, and NVIDIA Isaac GR00T enabling multimodal reasoning across voice, vision, and touch. NEURA is pitched as a general-purpose coworker rather than a one-off demo bot. This lineup is stacked, but it gets even crazier. EngineAI's T800 brought the "Are we sure this isn't CGI?" energy. This full-scale humanoid uses a magnesium-aluminum alloy frame and high-torque actuators built for powerful, stability-focused movement instead of slow baby steps. That's what gave us all those viral clips of it, taking hard pushes and doing dynamic moves while staying on its feet. Inside, it runs on an NVIDIA Jetson Thor platform with up to around 2,000 TOPS of compute, feeding a 360-degree LiDAR system for real-time perception and navigation. EngineAI is aiming this at logistics, industrial, and potentially security work, so not just a stunt bot, but something that's supposed to grind in real environments. AgiBot's A2 feels like the polite hotel employee of the humanoid world. It's around 1.7 meters tall and built for hospitality and showroom spaces, greeting visitors, giving short tours, and acting as a helpful guide in museums, conferences, and exhibition halls. On the CES floor, A2 walked the booth, waved at attendees, and joined choreographed dances to show off its motion control and crowd-aware navigation, powered by a 360-degree sensor suite with LiDAR cameras and an NVIDIA Isaac-based GenSim platform for training its behaviors. The next robot wants to clean your house. LG's CLOiD is basically the zero-labor home in robot form. It folded laundry, loaded the dishwasher, cooked with standard kitchen appliances, and bossed around other LG devices through the ThinQ ecosystem. Instead of legs, it rolls on a wheeled base with a height-adjustable torso and dual 5-fingered arms, so it can comfortably reach counters, cabinets, and appliances without worrying about stairs. With LG's affectionate intelligence and a vision language action stack, CLOiD can recognize household members, understand natural language, and chain multi-step routines like cleanup after dinner without needing a script for every tiny move. Fourier's GR3 goes for approachable and friendly instead of intimidating metal skeleton. With a soft shell exterior and expressive face, it's designed for healthcare, elder care, rehab, and service scenarios where people might be nervous around robots. At CES, it danced in sync, played live chess with attendees, and used its body-wide tactile sensors to react when people touched or interacted with it. Under the cute look, it still packs dozens of degrees of freedom and strong perception, so it can help with physical support and interaction, not just wave for selfies. This last duo is just pure vibes. Zeroth's W1 and M1 are the robots you're definitely sending to your group chat. The W1 basically looks like WALL-E brought to life. Tank-style treads, big expressive eyes, and it's built as a mobile assistant that can follow you, haul gear, patrol spaces, and act as a roaming camera for home or outdoor trips while staying ridiculously cute. The M1 is its smaller desktop sibling that lives on your desk as a physical AI buddy for conversations, notifications, reminders, and quick interactions while you work or game. Together, they suggest a future where personal robots are not just tools, but characters you actually enjoy having around. Alright, that's our top 10 robots from CES 2026. Hit like, drop a comment with your favorite bot, and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. This is What's Next AI. See you in the next one.